generally perceived that Afghani government is uneducated people are ruling there in Afghanistan. Why are they called the uneducated? Because they don't possess the degrees of universities. And there are very, very few only who are carrying the degrees of universities. All the rest are groomed and educated by the madrasas. Madrasa education is not called an education at all here in Pakistan. But if at all you look upon what they are getting from the national exchequer, the kind of salaries, the kind of perks and privileges they are getting, you will find that indeed they are getting little, little, little. And I can say with the full of the confidence that the governor of an Afghani province does not get more than a high school teacher in Pakistan. As far as salary is concerned, as for the perks and privileges are concerned, although they are provided with a very good transport, why obviously they have to move a lot. Being a governor, they do have to take care of the whole of the province. So for that reason, they are provided with very good transport. Other than that, as for the salaries are concerned, as for the living standard are concerned, they are not living with a higher standard as compared to the high school teacher in Pakistan. And the rest of the rulers are also like that. They are not different. They are not different at all. But they are performing much, much better as compared to Pakistan. If you are in Afghanistan, no one else can dare to victimize you because they are more powerful, more, wealthy, and having a high rank as compared to you. So that is Afghanistan. If you go to meet the governor of Afghanistan, if he is available, no way he will refuse you. No way. You will be having a direct access to governor, and they will listen to you patiently, and they will issue the instant instructions as well, orders as well. Your trouble problem will be addressed, remedied on the spot. For that reason, the lower staff they become very cooperative so that nobody feel the need of going to the governor. Now, talking to the medical department, they have fixed the fees of every doctor, keeping in view their qualification. No doctor can charge more than what they are allowed to charge. No doctor in Afghanistan can charge you more than what they're allowed to charge. And if at all somebody is a very competent doctor having the very good diagnosis, they will be receiving more number of the patients. And if at all they are receiving more number of the patients, automatically they will be earning more money. But as for the one patient is concerned, no doctor can charge more money. And also, no doctor can perform unnecessary surgical operation at all. No doctor. Quite contrary, here in Pakistan, many of the operation surgeries are done as although these were unneeded. Many of the medicines are prescribed although these were unneeded. Why? Because the doctor have charged commission from the pharmaceutical companies to promote their medicine. So that is a kind of mafia. But the mafia, indeed, the medical profession, the doctors is a mafia. That is the trouble with the Pakistan. So, my dear friends and fellows, but new good instructions that has arrived here from the government of Punjab, and it is not addressing the malpractices of the doctors. Only they have started from the labs, and they are being told that you can't charge more than this money of this test. So every test they have to charge whatever they have been allowed from the Punjab government if they are working in Punjab. And if they are out of Punjab, obviously the rules of that particular province will apply. But here in Punjab, not only that they can't charge more money, but also they do have to write what machinery they have are involved, what machinery have been utilized here, and what type of machinery they are possessing. They cannot keep highly or very outdated machinery. They cannot have the lab operators, any of the lab machine which is very much outdated. So that is another condition. I think it is the step in the right direction. Although it is the first step, and they need to form more regulations as well. Not only that new regulations are needed, but the new better regulation, public oriented regulations are needed and should be implemented in a better way as well. So, and the next step, I think that even the doctors should be made bound that if at all they are having a private practice, they cannot serve the governmental hospital. Why? Because they don't work there. Simply they use that platform to direct the patient toward their private clinic, toward their private hospital, and those lower staff under their command, that staff is used. This staff is paid a little bit of money from the doctor, senior doctor, the specialist doctor, the FCPS doctor is directing the patient toward the private clinic, toward the private hospital run by that particular doctor. So in that case, I think that the doctors need to be checked as well. Although they are quite a mafia, the doctors in Pakistan, the medical department in Pakistan, it is quite a mafia, and maybe they are incorrigible. They are not somebody who can be reformed. What will they do is that they will go for a strike. They will stop working in the district hospital, in the government hospitals. Why? To pressurize and to blackmail the government. The government should obey. Our government should allow them to have a free, rule. Do what you want to do. I think that is quite unfortunate with the people of Pakistan, because Pakistani people are suffering. Why they are suffering? Maybe we ourselves are somewhat responsible in it. But I think that the current Punjab government, although they are trying to perform better, whether they succeed in it or not, I don't know. But apparently, the lady, working as a CM Punjab, she is trying to make her place at the center. She is actually the candidate of party leadership at the center. She is also the candidate of next prime minister of Pakistan. So, keeping in view all that, she is trying to deliver, she is trying to perform. Maybe they have taken certain wrong steps as well, but I think that whatever they're trying to do, it is better, at least better than the previous provincial government. See whether she succeed in it or not, but apparently she is very active. She is hardworking. She is trying to work like a dynamic executive, chief executive of Punjab. Thank you.